Hi y'all, it's the Rappin' with Sister Phoenix video for Sunday morning. I'm pre-recorded on Saturday because I'm just on a roll. I just want to keep going with this topic of you complete me. Do you remember that? You complete me. We went through a phase, and I don't know how long this phase was, of believing that we were seeking somebody else in order to complete us and make sense of our lives. You know, like they would appear, and all of a sudden, all of our struggles and all of our worries and all of the terrible relationships we had before would just disappear, and they would, all just fit in perfectly and make sense of our gigantic puzzle. And there are 100 different versions of movie lines that are just terrible. Songs, even worse. You are the one, you are my one and only, I can't live without you. Like these really kind of icky, unhealthy song lines that we still sing to this day because they're songs that we know and love from before. But good God, are they awful, because the entire notion of not being complete without somebody else, as we know today, is, a bunch of baloney, a bunch of malarkey. So we're into the new paradigm of being complete with ourselves and not coming to the table, a mess, half-baked, unhealed, sticking our stuff onto somebody else and expecting them to fix us, right? It's not fair to them. But also just knowing that we're worthy, that we're whole, that we're complete in and of ourselves. And I think people have a hard time reconciling that with the need for other people, because of course we feel this strong desire for connection. And even more than connection, we have a strong desire for unity with other people, union to the deepest part where we lose ourselves, we lose our ego, we lose our identity, and we meld with the other person. This is like the bliss of first love and romance, is that you are so pulled into the love that you completely lose yourself. And this to us is absolute ecstasy, of course, because not because of the other person, because of who they are, what they've done to us. It's because we know deep down inside that we are one. And it's not just one with the other person, it's one. We are one. We are all one. And the pain that we have inside of ourselves that needs this resolution, that has this desperate longing to connect, is the feeling that we have been severed. We've been separated from other people. We've been separated from humanity. We've been separated from aspects of ourselves. We have been living as separate, and we know that that's wrong. I mean, wrong in the sense that, of course, we're individuals and we need to live our lives as individuals. That's our purpose. But it's wrong that all of us are so separated emotionally, in heart, in consciousness. So when we meld with the other person, we're actually tuning into the deepest part of who we are, which is one, which is the oneness. We are one. So both truths can be true. I am complete in and of myself. I am self-resourced. I am worthy. I can bring all the healing and happiness and all of that into my world myself. I don't need someone else to fix me or complete me. However, I want to be one. I want to meld and unify with others, in whatever form that may be. I mean, you can do that with, friends. You can do that with family members, whoever. In religious settings, for example, that's one thing that's commonly done in religious ceremonies and things, is this feeling of oneness. But it's never so acute, never so obvious than when you are one with a lover or a partner. So yeah, that's why we've got that. And we have to hold those polarities. That's okay. Opposite truths are okay. Bye.